Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are discuss the fascinated world of aseel chickens and their feed programming. Starting the point, a feed aseel chickens like any other chicken's breed is an important aspect of raising healthy and strong birds. Here are some general guidelines for feeding aseel chickens. Starter feed. Aseel chickens should be given a high quality starter feed, especially formulated for chickens. Starter feed is typically available in crumbled or petaled form. Look for a feed with a protein contents around about 20 to 22% of protein, proper growth and development. Feeding schedule. Provide access to starter feed from the day they hatch. Keep their feeders filled with fresh feed at all time. Chicks will typically eat small, frequent meals throughout the day. Water. Fresh water and clean is essential for chicks. Make sure they have access to clean water at all times. Use shadow waters to prevent drying. Grit provide chicks resized grit to help them digest their food properly. Grit aids in the grinding of feed in their gizzards. Snake and supplements. Chicks typically do not need additional snake or supplement if they are on a well-balanced starter feed. However, if you are raising them in challenging conditions or for specific purposes, consult with a property nutritionist or veterinarian for appropriate supplements. Gradual transition. As the chicks grow, you can transit them to a grower feed when they are around about 6 to 8 weeks old. Grower feed has a slightly lower protein content than starter feed. Monitoring growth. Keep an eye of the growth and health of a seal chicks. They should be active, alert, and steadily gain weight. If you notice any sign of sickness or slow growth, consult a property expert, poultry experts, or veterinarian. Free range versus confined. Depending on your setup, you may choose to allow your chicks to free range on them then in a confined area. Make sure they have access to a clean and safe environment with potential from predators. Remember that the specific nutritional requirement of aseel chicks may vary depending on their age, sex, and individual needs. Always consult with a poultry expert or veterinarian for specialized advice on feeding and caring for your chicks as their need may differ from one region to another. And now we are discussing the seal chicks sound and hatched. It sounds like you have, which may not be the most convenient collection for you. To address this, consider providing nesting box in a suitable area to encounter them to lay eggs there. Aggression. Some broody hens can become aggressive when you approach their nest. Approach them calmly and use gloves if necessary to protect yourself. Nesting shares. If multiple hens decide to go broody at the same time, they may try to share the same nest. This can lead to problems as they can crush each other's eggs or chickens provide enough nesting box for each other. Disease prevention. Broody hens and their chicks can affect to disease and parasites. Keep their nesting area clean, provide fresh bedding and monitor the health of both the eggs and chicks. Duration of broodiness. Some hens can remain broody for extended periods, which can affect their overall health if needed. You can break their broodiness by isolating them in a separate well ventilated area with food and water but no nesting material for a few days. Chicks protections. While mother hens can generally good at protecting their chicks, there still a risk of predation. Provide a secure coop and run to them. Remember that broody hen can be wonderful at raising and caring the chicks, often teaching them essential skills. However, managing the challenges that come with it are crucial to ensure the health and safely to become hen and her chicks. If you encounter specific issues, consult with a poultry expert and veterinarian for guidelines. Thank you. I have successfully hatched chicks from a Sindhi cross chicken. Aseel is a popular breed of chickens known for its fighting ability robust characteristic. When you cross them with Sindhi chickens or other breeds, you may get a mix of traits from both parents' breeds, resulting in unique and potential desirable characteristics. Mother hen care, also known as broody hen care, can present its own set of challenges but can also be rewarding when a hen becomes broody. She is determining to set on her eggs and raise chicks. Here are some challenges you might encounter and tips for managing them. Egg collection. Broody hens will set on their eggs potentials causing differently in collecting fresh eggs. To overcome this, you may need to check for eggs multiple times a day and gently remove them from other than broody hens.